Hello, my name is Pierre Olivier. I am the leader of Business Intelligence team in Scandinavia. In this video, I would like to present you what business intelligence is, what it means, and what it embraces. Some of you may know me as the ClickView guy, but we cannot speak about ClickView if we don't speak about business intelligence. ClickView is for business intelligence what a frying pan is for cuisine. Cuisine is the activity, the objective to make something not only eatable, but tasty. The frying pan is the medium, what you will use to reach your objective. In the same way, business intelligence is defined by two components: the medium, technology, and the objective, to present actionable information to help you to make good business decisions. For example, if you launch a new product, you are able to see which customers bought related products and focus your effort on them first. Of course, you could ask controlling team to provide you this information. But why wait for them when you can do it yourself in a few minutes? If the objective is clear, what about the technology? We use many different tools and softwares in Saint-Gobain. In the past, BI tools were mainly used by data analysts in offices who were preparing the data for end users. Nowadays, more and more business executives and workers are using the BI tools themselves. These tools have become the standard of business intelligence in the recent years, and they are evolving more and more to give freedom to the business users. At the time we were still under the same flag, we, in the construction product sector, have decided to cooperate with Click Company. The portfolio of ClickView consists of three products: ClickView, that we are currently using, but also ClickSense and N-Printing. The first ClickView application, developed at the regional level, was about controlling and developed in 2016. Since then, we have been developing applications in other business areas such as sales, supply chain, or production. In ClickView, the user is analyzing the data with a slightly configurable dashboard. Data is already prepared and the users have few possibilities to change the structure. In this way, ClickView gives people of all skills and levels access to a structured information in a simple way. But if ClickView is for guided analytics, ClickSense is for self-service visualizations. As I previously said, BI is evolving to give more and more freedom to end users. With ClickSense, you easily create your own tables, charts, KPIs like you would do in Excel file. And to help you with that, Click developed a new feature called Insight. Based on artificial intelligence, Insight helps you to get the best visualization out of keywords that you will define. For example, it will suggest you pie chart, bar chart based on the keywords customer and revenue. Click wanted to push the BI out of the office. ClickSense applications adapt to the size of your screen, so you can easily use them on your phone or tablet. It also allows you to look at your reports in offline mode to send some reports as a picture of the activity. Click provides another tool called N-Printing. N-Printing is working a bit like first BI tools were. We basically take information from a ClickView or ClickSense application, format it, and send it out to users. The only thing end users have to do is opening the PDF or Excel file. So N-Printing is a very interesting tool to send information fast and to a large audience into the company. But it should not be seen as a way to escape modernity and come back to old habits. Use ClickView and ClickSense application and give us some feedback so that we can improve your experience. In conclusion, the world of BI is full of opportunities where the sky is the limit. It is exciting to think about the future and see how we could improve the decision-making process. So together, let's make the future of BI.